Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, Crazy Cat Artist, and I'm doing this little kitten from the back. Just kind of getting the shapes in. That's a bit long. If I took it down that far, it would look like an adult cat. So let's bring it in around here. I'm going 3 times the speed and voicing over. Bring that tail down there. Just get some shapes in there for just the suggestion of paws sticking out. We'll get rid of some of the excess lines, but not too many because they do add energy to the drawing. They kind of just fade away into background tone. That's that kind of shape of the back there. We don't want those paws to stand out too much because they kind of really are very subtle and tucked in behind. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat and help us build this awesome community of crazy cat artists. Not a lot of details in this little drawing. I mean, you could draw all the tabby stripes, but to me that's really not what it's about. It's more of kind of the silhouette. But we'll add a bit of suggestion of tabby marks. Some filler and motion. And it kind of helps with the flow of the cat's body from the head down to the back too, to add the striping a bit. You know, to help those stripes flow down on the coat and across the coat the way it naturally does. You can go as far as you want to in a quick little sketch like this, and it provides lots of good practice for your next cat. Just gentle stripes. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.